Right, here's number 5. Food and drinks. We got food and drinks. Does it matter if people eat the food or drink? No, it doesn't. But it's nice to know that people are coming to the open house. They can walk around. They can relax. They can picture themselves in it. Especially if they have kids. We have cookies and donuts. You want people to feel like they're just relaxed and enjoying the house. I think a lot of times people, here, let me say it like this, to be honest with you. Most of the time, agents don't want to spend money. They don't want to spend money on the house. I'm sitting here like, yeah, we got hors d'oeuvres, we got cookies, desserts, drinks, you name it, we got it. Because we want people to come in, remember the house, stay longer. You know, people eating, they stay longer, especially with the kids. And that's the whole thing. I want this house, the house that I'm selling, I want that open house to be memorable. I want people to leave there, tell people. I want them to go, wow, that was great, stay longer, do whatever they got to do. So, food, drinks, always.